everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to crochet this flower. This is really easy flower pattern. If you are a beginner, don't miss this. It's worth you try this. Okay, these are the materials I used. Blue color yarn, 2mm size hook, tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. Okay, let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot like this. This is how you make the slip knot, right? Next we are going to work 6 chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right, now we have 6 chain. After that we are going to turn this into a circle. So that I am going to slip stitch into the very first chain. Insert your hook into the very first chain. Pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Again grab the yarn and pull through the loop. Right. Now you have the center circle. You should work a single crochet into the center circle like this. Insert your hook into the center circle. Pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is how you work single crochet. Next you should work 2 chain here, 1 and 2. Next we are going to work 3 triple crochets. To make triple crochet, yarn over twice, right? Insert your hook into the center circle like this. Pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. This is how we work triple crochet. Now you have first triple crochet. Again yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the center circle. Pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, release 2 loops. Yarn over, again pull to the 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull to the last 2 loops, right? This is our second triple crochet. I have posted a fully detailed tutorial about triple crochet. If you like to watch that, the link is in the description box. Right, again yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the center circle. Pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull to the 2 loops. Yarn over, pull to the 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull to the 2 loops. Right. Now we have 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 3 triple crochets here. After that we are going to work chain 2, 1 and 2, right? Again work 1 single crochet into the center circle like this. Pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, right? You can pull all stitches one side like this, right? Now you have our first petal here. Now we have to repeat the same steps another 4 times and make another 4 petals. Right, now we are going to make our second petal. This was the last single crochet, so now you should make chain 2, right? Next we are going to make 3 triple crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the center circle, pull up a loop, right, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, right, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Right, now we have our first triple crochet here in the second petal. Okay, again yarn over twice, insert your hook into the center circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops, right, again yarn over twice, insert your hook into the center circle like this, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Now we have completed our 3 triple crochets here. Right, now you are going to work chain 2, 1 and 2. Right, to complete the second petal you have to work 1 single crochet into the circle like this. Right, this is our second petal. Pull all stitches one side. Right, because we already have single crochet, you only put 2 chain here, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the center circle, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Right, again yarn over twice, insert your hook through the center circle, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through second 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Our second triple crochet completed. Again third one, yarn over twice, insert your hook through the center circle, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through second 2 loops, and again yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Right, after that add chain 2, 1 and 2. Okay, right, this is our third petal. Now we are going to add single crochet into the center circle, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Right, pull all the stitches one side and make a room for another 2 petals here. We are making 5 petal flower. So this is the stitch pattern. You should work for making another 2 petals. You can work that. Right, let's see how complete our flower at the end. Right, we are here at the end of petal 5. Finally add chain 2. Now here we are not going to add a single crochet. We already have a single crochet in our first petal at the beginning. So now we are going to make a slip stitch into that single crochet like this. This is the slip stitch, and add one chain. Now you can cut the yarn. Right, now we have completed our little flower. See, it's very easy to crochet, and it's very beautiful and cute. I really like this. Finally, you can sew the yarn end by using the yarn needle behind the flower like this. It will help you to secure the yarn tail and get a good finishing to this flower. Here's the final look of a cute little flower. I hope the instruction I gave you are clear and would helpful to you. Please consider to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. Right, thanks for watching.